Welcome to the Cone Art Kiln's video on replacing an element. Should you determine you need to replace one of your elements, you'll need an element, of course. Be careful to make sure you get the right one, not only for the model of your kiln, but also the correct voltage and for the correct position. If you're not replacing every element in the kiln, the position becomes extra important, as they are unique. You'll also need a 1/4-inch nut driver to open up your blue panel, a pair of pliers to secure your connectors as you're loosening and tightening them, and an Allen key. First step, turn off the power and open up the blue panel. Remove the 3 screws on the right-hand side of the blue panel. Then remove the screw top, center, left of the blue panel. This will allow you to open up the entire panel and expose the components inside. Now, with your pliers and your Allen key, hold the copper connector in place and loosen the screw. Do this twice. Remove the lead wires going to that particular element. Remove the copper connectors and put them aside. Remove the porcelain lead-out tubes and put them aside. Open up the kiln. Draw the element out of the panel into the kiln body, one tail at a time, and slowly remove the element from its channel. You'll notice that there is no ledge above the element. This means pulling the element up and out of its channel will do much less damage to the soft kiln bricks. Once the entire element is out of the channel, discard it and make sure the channel is clean. If necessary, use a vacuum with a soft bristle brush to remove any loose debris. Look for bits of old broken element, shards from previous firings, and glaze drips. Any of these things will affect the lifespan of your new element. Take your new element, feed one of the tails back through the brick and into the blue panel, and begin placing the coil into its channel. Be sure you've pushed it securely in at the corners. Take the remaining tail and feed it through the brick into the blue panel. Replace the porcelain lead-out tubes onto the element tails. Replace the copper connectors and the lead wires. Hold the copper connectors securely with your pliers and tighten the screw with the Allen key. Cut off any excess tail from the new element. Close up the blue panel and replace the 3 screws on the right-hand side. Replace the final screw, and you're done.